Hi everyone, my name is Elpini Ramli. I'm a lactation educator and a lactation counselor. So other than burping, you also can do this simple massage to help our baby to release their gas. So what you need to do, you can use any oil to just make sure that you can do it smoothly with the baby. So you can start with bending your baby knee towards the baby's tummy. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can also do the cycling movement to help the baby to release the gas. You can just do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You also can do some massage on the baby tummy. Okay, you can just take any oil that you prefer. Just rub it first to make sure that your hand is warm before you touch your baby. You can just slowly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you also can do the I love you massage. What you need to do is just a letter I down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the letter L. You just bring it to the left side of your baby's tummy. 4, 5. And the upside down U. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.